In today's video, I'm going to explain mixed numbers and improper fractions. Now, a mixed number is a whole number combined with a fraction. Looking at this picture, we see one circle and half of another circle of the same size. So this is 1 and 1/2. To write it as a mixed number, you just write 1 and 1/2. The and is like an addition sign, but you can drop that when you write them together, 1 and 1/2. So this will be a mixed number. Now, an improper fraction is a fraction that is greater than a whole, which occurs when the numerator is greater than the denominator. We just need to figure out how to write this 1 and 1/2, which we had from our previous mixed number example, into a single fraction. Now, if you're looking at the picture with it outlined, you can split this whole one up into a half as well. So now you can count them by the halves. So this would be 1/2, 2/2, 3/2. So we have 3 halves total. So this would be 3/2. And that would be the improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator and 3/2 represents the entire selection. So there's 3 pieces selected total, but we're only looking at halves. So we're looking at it out of 2 pieces. 3/2 is equivalent to the 1 and 1/2. It's equal to it. It's the same thing. Now, a quick way to double check that example or to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number is as the following goes. We know that we're looking at pieces of 2. So we're going to take 2 away from this 3 up here. And if we take 2 away from it, 2 full pieces out of 2, so that will be 1 whole. And then we're going to be left with 1 left up here after we pull 2 away from 3. So that is what gives us 1 and 1/2. Now let's say I give you this picture. We know that this entire area is shaded, so that is 1 whole. This is broken up into 3s. So out of 3 pieces, only 1 is shaded green. So our mixed number would be 1 and 1/3. Now, if we want to write this as an improper fraction, this is split up into thirds, as we can already see. So this is 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3 total out of 3. You can also look at this as, this is 1 whole, and broken up, that would be 3/3, and you have 1 extra third left over. We'll go over adding fractions in another video, but you can see that the 3 plus 1 would be the 4/3 that we're looking for. So this 1 and 1/3 is equivalent or equal to 4/3. Now let's double check this example where we have 1 and 1/3 equals 4/3. But instead of converting from an improper fraction to a mixed number, let's convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction. So we know that we're looking for this particular problem for pieces of 3. So 3 pieces make a whole. So this whole is really, this number 1 right here is really 3 pieces, and you just combine that with the 1. So we have 3 plus 1, which would give us 4/3. 3 multiplied by 1, and then you add that to the numerator. Looking at this picture, we already see that we have 2 whole circles, and if you broke this up into equal pieces, there would be 4 equal pieces, and we have 3 out of those 4 equals pieces. So written as a mixed number, this would be 2 3/4. Writing it as an improper fraction, we're going to have to break everything up into 4 equal pieces, like this last one's broken up. So breaking this one up and breaking this one up, we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Our improper fraction will be 11/4. And 11/4 is equal to 2 3/4. Now, double checking our last example, or converting from a mixed number to an improper fraction, we're looking at pieces of 4. So we have 2 wholes, so we know that we have 2 different groups of 4. So 2 times 4 is going to give us 8, and then we take that 8 and add it to the 3. So 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, so that's 11/4.